So we use facial recognition software in the KIT lab at the University of Alberta to help better understand students' emotional trajectories as they're interacting with educational technology, some of which we develop in-house in the lab. The reason that this is helpful is that collecting facial expressions allows us to get a sense of when people are engaged, emotionally engaged, if they become bored during a segment of their interaction with technology, if they're excited, if something's frustrating, etc. And understanding these different emotional responses and in a dynamic sense, without having to interrupt participants to ask them how they're feeling every few seconds, allows us to get a really detailed overview of what, on an emotional and on a human level, is really working well with this technology, and where are some opportunities for us to improve it so that we can have more emotionally supportive and emotionally engaging educational software. Because the link in education between emotions and learning is a really profound one. So one of the differences with how any kind of research that's conducted in a laboratory that's based out of university, such as the University of Alberta, goes through a rigorous ethics review process. So we have a research ethics board that helps ensure that, again, participants are aware of what they're signing up for. And indeed, we have an informed consent form before participants begin interacting in a study with the technology. They know that they're being video recorded, they know that there's facial recognition software. And this is really important because it gives participants the choice then and there, without any kinds of negative consequences, to decide if they're not comfortable with that they can leave the study. And indeed, in a lot of research that's done, we want to let participants know even ahead of time what kinds of data is going to be collected to help make sure that people are comfortable coming in.